Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on Alison Johnson's quilt. This is a gift for one of her family members, and we're doing something very pretty with it. It's got some lovely blocks on the inside, a really big block in the center, and then I bordered it up with a feather pattern as well. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of what we're going on the outside border, and then we have some footage of what's going on in here and in the stars, so you can take a look at that too. So we're just going to continue and let Walt stitch out here. It's one of my favorite feather stitch outs, and it goes very nice with a lot of projects. So it's one of my favorites. It's used around here, that's for sure. Definitely a favorite for the border. Love the colors of this quilt. The coral here is stunning. The green is beautiful. I wish I had a lot of that green fabric. She'll have to answer some questions, like if this was a kit, did she put this together? She's very color coordinated wise to picking fabrics and making her own very unique projects. So I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. And this beautiful backing. Love it. So pretty. Yeah, so Mr. Walt's just going to stitch all the way around here. And then there's a bunch of footage afterwards. And then stay tuned for the very, very end, because you'll see a picture of it, the full, so you can see exactly what it looks like. So this is just the last few little bits on this part that I need to do, and then I take it off and I flip it, and then I do the borders on the top and the bottom, and then any other spots that needed to be for the flipped. Because there was a couple of little borders around here, so we did little borders in them. Little stitch outs. It's only like a stitch in between. There we go. So this is our beautiful Wednesday project. And the thread we chose was latte. It was a very nice light. It had a little bit of a tinge to it, which I think kind of matched the coral. It looks really nice on the back, as well as you can see as a stitch out. So it looks lovely. You can really see the texture of the feathers and the other patterns that I've chosen. Very nice. Looking beautiful. Hope she loves it. I did send her pictures, so far so good. I'll let you watch a few minutes of that, and then you'll see the other footage, okay? So you guys have yourself a fantastic Wednesday. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing. Don't forget to check us out on Patreon, and hang out with us on the weekend. Saturdays, 1 p.m. Eastern. We're always live streaming, okay? And this is Thanksgiving weekend for us coming up, so we're very excited. We'll have a turkey cooking. Too bad there wasn't smell-o-vision. You guys have a great day. Take care. Thank you. Big hugs from us.